2026 Mini Cooper S. Ghost Immobiliser. So this, if we now start the vehicle, system will come on. If we try to drive the vehicle, it will shut the vehicle down. If we switch off and we restart the engine, we can enter our password for the vehicle. Currently we've put it as the musical note. We will get our 2 flashes and beeps. Once we have our beeps, we can now engage the gear and it will stay in gear for the duration of your drive.